back, and here we have a question to solve for the construction of an ellipse. And the question here says that using concentric circle method, construct an ellipse that has 110 millimeters major axis and 55 millimeters axis. I think that is the minor axis, as we have used it like that. Bisect angle 90 degree on the third quadrant of the ellipse. The bisector of the angle cut the circumference of the ellipse at point P. Draw a tangent to the ellipse at point P. Okay, so what we have to do is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line, and then we draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so now we have to draw circles, and the first circle that we have to draw is that of the 55. So we divide 55 by 2. That will give us 27.5. So we take a measurement of 27.5 on the ruler with the use of this compass. Then we draw a circle. So we are going to draw a circle. So we draw a circle like this. Okay, so we draw this circle. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to do is that we divide 110 by 2. That will give us 55 millimeters. So take 55 millimeters. So on the ruler, so 55 millimeters on the ruler. Okay, so put a point here at this point and draw a circle. So draw a circle. So this is the circle. Alright, so we are going to divide this circle into 12 equal parts. We divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So I want to make use of my big set square. Can I use this small one? Okay, I can use this. I can use this small one. Alright, so we draw a line. So in this direction, and this is going to, alright, so we slide to this side. So I need to adjust this. So draw this, then so we turn to this side. Then we draw so this line, and for this I need to adjust it to be able to do the division. So I first of all set it like this. So draw this, and I'll take it up and draw. Alright, so we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts. So I'm going to number this point. So this point is 0. So this is 1. This is 2. So here is 3. Here is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 9. There is 10. This is 11. Okay. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm also going to number the inner part of it. So this point will be 0 prime. Okay. This is 1 prime. This is 2 prime. So here is 3 prime. This is 4 prime. This is 5. This is 6 prime. 7 prime. So 8 prime. So this is 9 prime. This is 10 prime, and this is 11 prime. Alright, so we have all this. Now the next thing that we are going to do is that, so from this point to okay, so let's start with that of the small circle. So from this point 2 prime 4 prime, so we have to draw horizontal line to the right and also to the left. Okay, then we do the same for 1 and 5. Okay, 1 prime and 5 prime, and that of 11 prime and 7 prime, and that of 10 prime and 8 prime. So this is what I'm saying. So come to this point on the circumference of the small circle. So draw a line from 4 to this side and draw a line from 2 to this side. Okay, then you go up to 1 prime and 5 prime, draw horizontal line. So you draw horizontal line here. So coming up here, so here we draw horizontal line, and here we draw horizontal line, and here also, so we draw horizontal line to this side, we draw horizontal line to this side. Alright, so that's it. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so from this point to here, okay, so we draw so point 2 and 10. So from this point to let me use this set square. Okay, this is better. Alright, so we draw a vertical line up to meet this line, and we draw a vertical line down to meet this horizontal line. So we come to this point 1. Okay, so 1 and 11, so draw a vertical line to meet this horizontal line, draw a vertical line down to meet this horizontal line. So we are done with that. So we come to this side, so 4 and 8. Okay, so draw a vertical line up to meet the horizontal line. So draw a vertical line down to touch the horizontal line. Then we come to this point 5 and 7. Okay, so draw a vertical line up here to meet the horizontal line, and draw it down here to meet the horizontal line. Alright, so I just need to extend this a bit. Alright, so these points are the point that we are going to use. So with point 6 here, and this point, so with the point, this point here, okay, point 9 prime, and this point, so this point here, with point 0 here, so then this point with point 3 prime here on this circle. So those are the points that we are going to join together. So starting with this, so we join this together. Okay, so you can see that alright, so we join this together. So then we turn to this side. Okay, we turn it here, and so can go on with this. Alright, so we have half of the ellipse drawn. Then it's set like this. Okay. Alright, so then we turn it to this side. Okay, so we take it. Alright, so we've completed it. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the tangent, and we're asked to draw it in this third quadrant. This is the third quadrant here. So we're asked to bisect this angle 90 at this point. So to bisect the angle 90, so just put the midpoint of your compass here. So let me make it more visible so that, okay. So we are making use of this point here. So this point 3, and this 0.6. Okay, so this 3 prime and 6 prime on the small circle. So we are making use of this arc to bisect the angle. So we put the midpoint here and we extend to a convenient radius. So here we draw an arc like this, and then we put it at this point 3 prime. So we draw an arc here. So the arc intersects at this point. So what we need to do now is to draw a line from this point here where the two axes intersect. Then we draw a line through it. So this point where the line bisector, so bisector of angle 90 here, where it touches the circumference of the ellipse. So this is the point, so we call it point P. Okay, so now, so with the protractor, so being set, so this line, so I can say that this line is serving as okay, so it's serving as the I'm looking at how the tangent is going to work out here. Okay, well, I'll just set like this, but I'm not okay with this. Okay, so the way this tangent is going to be, well, I'll just draw it. Okay, so this is how we should bisect it, which is what I've done. Okay, so I'll just draw a tangent. It will still be on the ellipse. So we have it like this. Alright, so this is the tangent. So let me call it tangent QR. So tangent QR. Alright, so that's it. So we are done with this. So thank you and God bless you.